Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I'm pouring over this canvas today. It was a practice and it was really washed out. So it's 11 by 14 inch canvas. My base paints today are a Artist Loft Black. That gray is something I scraped off my table a while ago. And then I have that light custom, light blue gray custom mix. So my plan here today was to do what I've been doing is thinner paints with two parts floetrol to 1 part paint, and then water to about the Dutch pour consistency, maybe a little thinner, but not as thin as the pearl cell pour. But as you will see as we go here, that gray that was scraped off my table a while ago probably had some satin enamel in it because I get all kinds of little pearls. So yeah, that's the only thing I can think of because I didn't add anything else to my paints. So anyway, this comes out really, really pretty. Colors are just gorgeous. And I hope you like it because I really do. So if you're new here, I would love you to subscribe and comment and share and all that. If you're not new here, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. So the colors I'll be using today, and that was a Payne's Gray by Golden. Then I have Pearl by DecoArt. And next I have Phthalo Turquoise by Golden, which is my new favorite turquoise. It's just such an awesome color. If you haven't gotten it, get it. Then I have this Rose, which is my another new favorite. Metallic. It's just beautiful. It's Modern Masters. It dries absolutely stunning. And then I have my go-to Aqua or Teal by Golden. So I'm going to be swiping in with my palette knife the cell activator, which is 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. You can also do this with American floetrol, absolutely. I just happen to have some Australian floetrol. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so I just, swipe in different directions with the palette knife to activate the lacing that I want. After I get it the way I want it, I will tilt and stretch it out. And that's what gives you this really cool effect. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.
Some time at your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. As I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.